So yesterday I decided to go live randomly for the first time on this YouTube channel. Unfortunately the network was very bad. I was not able to live stream successfully, but yesterday I actually made a post like on my community tab on this YouTube channel. I said that drop any questions in the comment section and I will answer them in a video tomorrow, and this is the video. So I'm going to answer the questions that you guys were asking, which you commented on this post over here. Okay, so without wasting any of your time, let's get started. So the first question is it's by Toela Nguluwe. It says, what are some of the legit shopping sites that deliver to Zambia, and where exactly do they deliver to? Okay, so this channel is all about things to do with making money, but I don't know if this question is related to this channel. But even though it's not related to this channel, I think I know a few sites that you can actually get to buy some stuff online and get them delivered to you in Zambia. So I'll include the links in the description in this same video. Okay, so the next question is by Ketrick Kankokanya. Yeah, the question is, which online making business are you currently doing that is profitable? Well, the only thing that I'm doing is profitable, of course, is forex trading. The rest, they are not. Okay, the next question is by Shepherd Financial Network. So the question is, I want to learn forex, where can I learn from? So I recently launched my forex course. It's on my website. It's on an e-learning portal. All you need to do is simply pay and you get access and get to learn at your own pace. Okay, and apart from that, you also get access to my signals. So this is the best place to get started from. So in case if you cannot afford the course, you can actually get started for free. So on my main channel, I've got more than 300 videos to help you get started with forex trading. So that's the best place to start learning trading from. The next question is by Shabdini Zambia. It's saying, what are some investment free sites that work in Zambia? So in this question is asking that what are some of the sites where you can actually make money without investing? The only platform I know where you can actually get money without investing, which really works, is actually Toloka. But just to make $1, like, you're going to really spend a lot of time. Yeah, so yeah, there are a lot. So in the coming days, in the coming weeks, I'll definitely make a video about them. The next question by the same person again is, how can one do identity verification on Yellow Card? I've been trying. Okay, so as for me, I verified my Yellow Card account using my NRC. Okay, it works. Yeah, you can as well use a driver's license, I think. Yeah, so just make sure that as you get a picture of your NRC, make sure that it is clear and all corners are visible, and make sure that there's enough light. Okay, and the next question is, how do you deposit in Yellow Card using Momo? So this means mobile money. Well, in Yellow Card it's not possible to deposit using mobile money. How I wish that feature was there. So you can only deposit using by transferring money to their bank account. Yeah, that's the only way. Then the last question is IMDb movies platform is come? So I made the review about this IMDb. I think the video is still there. Yeah, so you might want to watch this video to find out if it's scam or not. So this is it about today's video, which was about answering some of the questions you have. Okay, so if you learned something from this video, give it a like. For more videos like this, go ahead and subscribe. Bye for now.